everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to review the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Gel. Alright, so let's just jump right into it, you guys. So I have two of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Gel. I have the color Dreamland, which looks like this, and the color Distortion, which looks like that. So they have other glitter gel colors or shades out there, but this is the two that I picked up, and let me give you guys a nice review on them. And I mean nice as in, yes, I love these products. They are amazing. So first, let's talk about, of course, packaging. Packaging is in a clear tube, as you guys can tell. You can see that it is clear, so you know what the color of the glitter gel is. And on top of that, it is a squeezable tube, so you squeeze out the product. It comes out of that opening with a nice silver cap with their Urban Decay logo and the name of the color or shade glitter is right here. It's not printed on the tube itself. Instead, it's a sticker, which is quite interesting. I guess putting a sticker on the label is cheaper than having it printed on the label. I'm not quite sure, but everything else is printed on the label. And if you look on the very bottom, it has a picture of a face, an eye, and a little container saying it will last you 6 months once you open it up. And of course, on the front, it tells you for eye, face, and body gel. All right, so that means it's safe for the eyes, the face, and your body. Pretty much everywhere. All right, so that's what the packaging looks like. Let's dive into how it wore on my skin. And you guys, yes, of course, you guys already know, if you've been watching my videos for a very long time, you already know that I have dry skin. Does that affect the performance of this? I don't really think it does, but at least you know if you didn't know. So I do have dry skin. You guys, this is amazing, especially if you are a huge fanatic about glitter, anything shimmery. Then I don't know what you're waiting for. Just put this in your cart, and once stay-at-home quarantine is over, buy it. Go to like the makeup store and get yourself one, because if you are a true lover of glitter, you are going to be in love with this product, you guys. Let me go ahead and give you guys a little swatcheroo. I kind of feel like I'm wasting this product because I really, really like this product. But for you guys, I'll do anything for you guys, alright? So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a glitter swatch, if you will, so you guys know what it looks like on the skin. I do feel like depending on the shade and tone of your natural skin, it can come off looking, you know, slightly different. There might be a slight variation in that. Alright, so that right there is a Dreamland, and the one next to it is Distortion. I feel like I have to show you guys what it looks like on my cell phone. It's like one of those things where it looks better with a cell phone camera. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on my cell phone real quick.
It's been a night, we know how to party, dancing like there's no one else around. You know I've been looking so fine, body like mine, wearing these boots like high.
So that's what it looks like on my skin. So you guys have a little idea of what it looks like once it's out of the tube. And you guys, this is such a just wonderful, beautiful glitter product. First of all, the performance. So it's just really easy to use. A lot of the times I have glitter products that are loose glitter. So what I have to do is make sure I have some type of like glue. For example, I would use like a lash glue to get that stickiness, or maybe even Vaseline, and then apply that loose glitter. But it can be quite messy when you're applying it and just not really, you know, time effective. This is none of that, you guys. It comes in a nice gel form. I mean, look at how quickly I swatched this, and still glitter is not falling out. I mean, throughout the day when I wear this, there is a little bit of glitter that does fall out here and there, and it's so little, really, it's not really worth mentioning if you ask me. But the most part, like just 99% of it, if not more, the glitter is on there real good. It lasts a very long time until you wash it off, and taking it off is not that difficult. It can get a little bit tedious just because it is glitter. You guys know what glitter's like, you know, taking it off your makeup at the end of the day, but it's not difficult to take off. And on top of that, it's safe for your eyes, face, and your whole body, you guys. That's a plus. I will mention though, for me personally, I've used it on my eyes, and yes, it is safe to use on your eyes. I mean, that's what it tells us. It's safe for your eyes. But I'm very careful about how I place, not just this, you guys, but I'm careful about, do you guys hear my dog howling? Please ignore that, alright? Do you guys hear that? That's my dog howling right now, so please ignore that. I am so sorry. But this, I can't concentrate. Alright, so, if you guys want to know what my dog looks like, follow me on my Instagram or my TikTok. There's plenty of my dog videos and pictures there. Please, Phoenix, please be quiet. Thank you. Alright, so, I lost my train of thought. Honestly, I have no idea where I left off, but this glitter is amazing, you guys, to be quite honest. It just lasts a really long time until you choose to take it off, and even if there is fallout, it's very minimal. Definitely not even worth mentioning, but I wanted to let you guys know every little detail that I can think of to help you guys decide if you want to buy this or not. What else? I mean, look, it's still on there, you guys. It's still on there. It's not coming off until I want it to come off. You get what I'm saying? So that is amazing. Oh, the eye part. Now, when I place it on my eyelid, yes, I've used it on my eyelid before, but I'm very careful about where and how I place it, because at the end of the day, it is glitter, and sometimes glitter can fall off and fall out, and if it's on your eyes, it might land in your eye, you guys. You just gotta take that risk if you're gonna place it on your eyelid. That's the game. You place glitter on your eyelid, you might have that chance of getting glitter in your eyes, alright? So, if you just gotta be super, super careful. For me, personally, yeah, sometimes I do place it on my eyelids, but for the most part, I'm placing it like on my cheeks or on my body, you know, making a little fun little, you know, I don't know, makeup look all over my face. I don't really place it on my eyelids. If I do, it's not that often. So just be super careful, you guys. But it's not just only this specific product. Really, with any glitter, placing it on your eyes, just a simple advice from me to you, just be careful, really. Just be careful. So, alright, so there's that. It performs beautifully, you guys. They have different colors, and again, I picked up 2 of them. They're so beautiful. If you want me to use this in a makeup look, tell me down below you want me to use this, and I'll try to create a nice, fun, and glittery makeup look for you guys. And well, the last part is recommendation. So obviously my recommendation is, yes, I do highly recommend this, especially if you are a glitter lover. You just love that glitter life. Go ahead and pick one up. They are $22 each. So, I mean, Urban Decay is pretty pricey, but it's not like a Tom Ford or Charlotte Tilbury price, so there's that. It's not, you know, drugstore price. It's like in the middle. It's in the middle. So $22 each tube. That's before shipping and handling and before taxes, so you can calculate all that stuff on your own. But yeah, so do I recommend it? Yes, I do, because I love glitter and this is just beautiful. Alright, that is pretty much it, you guys, for this video. If you like videos like this where I talk about quick short videos talking about products that just giving you my, you know, a good solid everyday, just a really good review on it, right? So a really good review, my thoughts, my opinions. If you like videos like that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed, do so by clicking that subscribe button. Of course, tap on that notification bell. And if you want to follow me on any of my social platforms, you can do so by scrolling down below and opening up that description box, and it has a plethora of good information for you guys. So that is pretty much it. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. Hopefully at home. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls.